How good it will be if I get all the list of stocks, scanned stocks for the equity cash market in a different type wise like breakout, momentum, IPO, tight range, weekly breakout, indicator type, stock range and much more. I can directly add any stock which I want in my watch list straight away. And the one of the most coming revolutionary tool here is once I import the stock, how good it will be if I just load that watch list of stocks. And that main game changer is I can just click on the next button. You can see on the bottom right, Jampe, straight away each stock will be automatically changing. Scanning, think about it. For example, Yampe, we add 73 stocks in the tight range. To scan 73 stocks by entering one by one stock name, Tata Steel, etc., name and enter, it will take a lot of time. Now it's a pure game changer. I just need to click on the next button. Automatically the stock will change in the charts or in a shortcut manner. Control down arrow, control up arrow. It's a complete, how good if you get the access of this tool. Now watch this full video to get the complete access right now. So first open swingwatchlist.com website and just you need to click on start free now and register your details. So once all the details is been registered, just click on create account. So once the account is created, we are in the dashboard now. I'll just walk through the complete dashboard in just quick 30-40 seconds. Here you can see daily scan. So simple, every day probably around 5 p.m. you will be getting the list of scan for the next trading session. So यहाँ पे there are currently total 8 different and unique stocks scanned. It comes with breakout soon, bulls, momentum, indicator, type 1, type 2, IPO base, etc. So now what is the main task? I can directly import the stocks to my watch list. यहाँ पे watch list section is also there. I'll just show you. Before that, let me install the Chrome extension so that it will be easy for you to access it. First of all, just Google it, Chrome extension. You could see the extension Chrome Web Store. And यहाँ पे I just need to search Swing Watchlist Navigator. And I can find out just only one option here, Swing Watchlist Navigator. Just I need to click on add to Chrome. So add to Chrome, add extension. The extension is being added to my extension Yampe. Simple, I'll use the same credential to need to just log in once here. Whenever I'm using, I need to log in it so that I can access it as easy as possible. So Yampe no watch list created. You can see create one on your dashboard. So now I'll just go back, create a watch list. Yahan pe I'll go to daily scan and I'll just, let's begin with selecting here indicator type 1. Just for the information is this is a free plan. Yahan pe free plan mein what happens is I can only import up to 50 stocks or maximum 2 watch lists. Yahan pe you can see breakout soon mein there are 65 stocks. It will automatically a pop-up comes in free plan. It will be only 2 watch list and 50 symbols accessible. So Yampe, I'll just for the example, I'll just show you with the indicator type 1 Yampe. You can find out 35 stocks on the right side. I'll just click on the import all and I'll name it as per my comfort. You can do it as per your comfort. I'll just type it IT2. Okay. And I'll be importing the stocks. Once this import is done, I can see it on the watch list. This was the dummy one which was created. So you can see this watch list 35 symbol. If I want, I can view all the symbols also, which are the stocks are in the watch list, etc. Now comes the real game changer tool. Once I have logged in the extension, now I just need to refresh this. Once I refresh, just notice here, I'm going to the extension box. I'll be loading the watch list. You can see in the select watch list, I can find out the IT235 symbols which is there. I'll just load the symbol. Here comes the magic. Here is your watch list navigator. So now I don't need to type each individual stock name. No, I just can click next. Automatically the stock will load as per the time frame which is bid set on the TradingView chart. Yeah, free TradingView version is also enough. There is no requirement for any kind of paid TradingView version. Just look at this. I can just click next. Previous, I'll be getting the stocks. Or in more simple, control down arrow, control down arrow. Straight away, the stock will get changed one by one. This is the revolutionary new watchlist navigator tool. जहाँ पे you might have 200 stocks, 500 stocks in watch list. Every time you cannot type the stocks and watch it. There is lot of time waste. यहाँ पे you, with the help of watchlist navigator, you can open charts each stock. If you are going to open 200 stocks by typing, it will take 3-4 hours. Watchlist navigator will make that work completed in just a span of 30 to 45 minutes. May you can open every single stock and check the price action of it in just 30 to 40 minutes. Now, one more thing is possible. You can see on the dashboard, now I'm in the watch list. If you have any ready-made stock already there in your Excel sheet or wherever you have, on the top right, you can see upload new. यहाँ पे you can also upload the stock. Just enter the stock list name. I'll just enter watch list. Okay, I can just write anything on the description just for this thing. I am writing a test. You can see the option click to upload. यहाँ पे simple the file format. It is simple. The first, it should be the symbol should be the first column, and the stock should be in a format of NSE Tata Steel or just the name stock exact full name on the first row. This is a simple file format rule. You can click on upload and upload it. And simple and straight away deal here is, as I mentioned already, it is depend on the plan. Now you can see I have already 35 stocks in my watch list, right? If I go and try to add some more, yes, it is possible, but up to 50 stocks or up to 2 watch lists. If I go back and add any other, for example, my Bulls Momentum, 334 stocks is there in the watch list. If I click on import, I just need to enter some name of the watch list, click on import. Yes, obviously it will show to redirect to the paid plan. Now, I'll go and buy. There are two things, pro plan and premium plan, whichever is comfortable. It has its own feature. I'll just go and click on upgrade to premium. It will be straight away redirecting me to the load page. I just need to enter my mobile number. As usual, the payment process. Now you can see in your billing section, you can see that it is now your current plan is your premium or pro, whichever plan you have been selecting and using it. Current period, how many watch list is there. Now you can create 25 watch list, 1200 symbols. You can do it. You can check it also on the profile. You will see that subscriber tier is premium. Once I can go now on the watch list, I can add almost 1,200 plus stocks. Now you can see daily scan. I'll just again show it. Now 334 symbols straight away on the Bulls Momentum. I'll just name it to Bulls. I'm just straight away importing it. 334 stocks is been imported. Now I can go back and check here. You can see that if I just click on the extension tab and SwingWatchlist Navigator, here I can see the Bulls 334 stocks. Just I need to select load symbol. That's it. Load 334 symbol successful. And now I can see 1 out of 334. I just now can play with this. Just click next or control down arrow. Each stock will be changed in a fraction of second. No waste of time. It's a pure saving time, a pure game changer for an equity trader, for a swing trader, for a positional trader, for a cash market trader, even for the FNO trader. It's a biggest time saving revolutionary tool here. So get your access right now. Any questions, queries, you can contact us, message us on WhatsApp. WhatsApp number you could see on the video display screen itself.